Hi, Dr. TJ Dixon, your intuitive guide to transformation, connecting to your best life. Today's message is about interdependence. When I speak about interdependence, oftentimes people are not quite sure what that means. We're used to the word dependence, and that simply is you rely upon something in order for you to get through your day-to-day life, but you are completely reliant upon it. You're not doing it for yourself, but this thing or person is helping you. We also familiar with the word independence, and a lot of us were raised to be independent, meaning that we do for ourselves, we're responsible for ourselves, we take care of ourselves. We might take care of some others too, which are our dependents, but for us as individuals, we take care of everything. Now, the problem with both independence and independence and dependence is this. If both of them do not contain an amount of balance, but you start looking at interdependence, it does. So basically, what is interdependence? Interdependence means that we work together and we empower each other to get to the next level. We empower each other to achieve our goals, dreams, and aspirations. And that means that sometimes we will reach out and ask for help. And it's okay. And other times we're going to be the ones that are going to be reached out to for help. So basically, we help build each other up. And so there's no one person that's just relying upon the other, dragging them down, or better yet, the independent person is dragging them forward. And there's no person that's being independent to burn themselves out. See, the problem is that a lot of people are suffering from stress. A lot of people. And I know I was just recently in one of my groups on Facebook, and there was a comment about feeling stressed out and what do you do when others are seeking you for help, but yet you have your own issues, your own problems, and you're completely stressed out. Well, you ask for help, and it's okay. Even when you have been raised to be independent, I was raised to be the independent, strong woman, and that about killed me. It about killed me. So when my big transformation started happening in my life, I had to start reaching out to others for help and seeking expert practitioners in their fields of study in order for me to get help. What does that help look like? What does that empowerment look like? Well, it might look like the form of a counselor. Perhaps you need to talk to a mental health therapist that can help you and empower you to heal your mind. Maybe this person is going to look like a Reiki practitioner where they are allowing energy to flow through their hands into your chakras, into your body, so that you can be charged up again so that you have energy in order to go out and do the work that you do. Maybe it's going to look like you have a kid in college and they need help paying a bill. So you're going to offer that help to them because they are building themselves up. Maybe it's going to look like you taking care of your friends' children one day for them to go out and do some things to take care of themselves. And maybe the next weekend they're going to take care of your children in order for you to get out to do some things to take care of yourself. Basically, in interdependence, there's a give and a take. A give and a take. And when we live in that type of balance where there's a give and a take, for one, we recognize when we need help, when we need inspiration, when we need to be empowered. We recognize that and we seek that out. And for two, when we are the ones who can help build somebody else up, or we can empower someone else to build up, we offer that as well. Thank you so much for listening to this message. If you have any questions regarding interdependence, please comment below. If you would like to contact me regarding some services, maybe you recognize and said, hey, you know what, I do need some help. I do need some empowerment, and you would like coaching, check out the links below and contact me. I would love to coach you and help you feel empowered and be empowered to live your best life. Have an amazing day, and we'll talk later. Bye.